Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to week 5, the final week of Heather's Haunted Haven Hallow Collab 2020. I think I got it right on the last week, yay! This is a collaboration full of lots of really talented crafters. Please do go and check them all out. Their links will be in the description box below this video. Like I say, this is week 5, the final week, and it is Halloween. So I had hoped to have this in the post and already hopefully with Jenny by today, because today is Halloween. Unfortunately, just as I was finishing it up and getting ready to package it up and take it to the post office yesterday, my husband got sent home from work with a cough and no sense of taste. So we are currently in isolation waiting for the results of his COVID test. So yeah, couldn't go out and post it, unfortunately. I have messaged Jenny. She's been super lovely about it. I have received Jenny's package. I'll give you a sneak preview because I will do a video tomorrow. But in it was this amazing memory wire Halloween bracelet, and it's got all lovely Halloween coloured beads and some Halloween charms on it as well. It is absolutely fantastic. So make sure you go over and check that one out. So I made this for Jenny for the final week. I made her a little plaque for her craft room. I was really stuck. I didn't know what to make because obviously it needed to go in the package, and what I've already created is quite bulky, so I was sort of running out of space in terms of getting it packaged up and sent out, so I was a bit stuck. And then I went out to have a look at I've got a summer house where I store a lot of stuff for mixed media, and I went out to see if there was anything out there that inspired me, and I came across it was a Christmas plaque. It was slightly too big, so I've just cut it down and I got my husband to re-drill one of the holes. I've covered the backing with a piece of wallpaper. I've just done a wallpaper sample, and then I've used lots of the ephemera that I have printed and I've been using throughout this collaboration. I printed up this sign that says "Beware the Ginger Ninja Crafter, she's spooktacular," and then I have layered over all the little bits of ephemera. I've gone around the edge with this gorgeous purple ruffle ribbon trim, and then behind that there's an orange pom-pom trim, and in front of it there's a black pom-pom trim. The reason that I put the pom-pom trims either side was to make it sit up like that, otherwise it took over too much of the plaque. It wanted to sit forward on the plaque. So with a row of pom-pom trim either side, it made it sit where I wanted it to sit. I've made a spooky hanger with various eyelash trims and ribbon, and then I have put some bling pieces all across the front here, and some little die cuts. This little pumpkin down the bottom here that came on a package from Tracy Susan, and again some more little bits of bling in there. I've layered that on some sparkly cardstock, and I've put some of that white trim from Ali in the background there because it reminds me of spider webs. And because I didn't manage to get it out in the post yesterday, as I had hoped to do, I have also created a card for her, because I thought, well, if I've got it at home, I might as well not seal the box up until I've got it jammed full. So I also made a card. So this is the card that I have made her. So it is a fancy fold card. So it will sort of stand like that. I can't remember the name of these ones. They have got a name. Stepper card, side stepper, double side stepper card, something like that. So I actually cut the base using a tattered lace die set, and these lacy panels are tattered lace as well. In the background, I created a background using my oxide inks and just a normal black distress ink, and I created this sort of galaxy sort of looking background and splattered it with water. I've then gone over with some sparkle pens, and I've put some of these tiny little silver sequins on as well. I've stamped and coloured in the images and then fussy cut them all out. framed it all with these lovely lacy dies that came in the tattered lace set. Stamped the a Halloween Hello from the stamp set, and that is actually embossed, heat embossed with a bit of holographic embossing powder, although it doesn't show up all that well, to be fair. And then I've got these stars that I actually bought them for Christmas, but I thought they went really nicely with this Halloween project, so I have popped some of those on as well, and done the same coloured backgrounds behind these lacy panels and behind these little labelly bits down on the bottom here. I've layered it all on some anthracite Centura Pearl cardstock, and I will cut another panel to go on the back there and write a little note for Jenny before I send it out to her. So that is what I have made for her. I'll give you a quick run through of what I've made on the other weeks. So week number 1 was our embellishment box. So this was the embellishment box I made with the cutouts on the top there and spooky, all the netting and everything. And then I filled it up with all sorts of goodies, bead soup, some metal pieces. I did actually, that was another good thing for the box not going yesterday. I had some Halloween embellishments arrive this morning, some charms in the post, which I'd ordered ages ago, and they didn't come in time for when I made the box. They actually arrived this morning, so I have been able to put a few extras in the box as well, which was nice. So that was week number 1. Week 2 was our tag flip, and I did quite a chunky tag flip with various cute little dangles and charms and tags, some sweeties and some little paper clips, some more sweeties, and a little shaker tag at the back there. So that was week 2. Obviously, if you want a closer look at any of these, you can hop along and see the videos on my channel, because all the videos are on. Week 3 we made the altered hoop, which again you can see on my channel with my big tassel on the bottom, and then week 4 we did the embellishments, which I had done but I hadn't packaged, so I'll take them out and I will show you the packaging. So those were the witches' hats, and I did this, it is actually a bow shaped bag topper, but the bow doesn't fit properly. The die cut bow that came with it doesn't fit properly, so I just tied a ribbon bow and then put that lovely little dangle in the centre of it. We've got, what else have we got? Take Mr. Bones out because he's in the way. We've obviously got a nice bar of chocolate there to go with it. Those were the little dangles that I made, and I popped those on a little fence bag topper, and I used that little embellishment, and I just popped a happy Halloween and a spider's web and a spider and a few gems. I used the same bag topper for the broomsticks, and I used the rosette, and again just put a couple of extra charms on. The bats, I did another one of the bow bag toppers, and I put this gorgeous handmade flower in the centre with the happy Halloween, and then my bats dies came as well yesterday, so I managed to add a few of those on top and put some gems down the centre of those. And then on the top of the double trouble, toil and trouble, on top of the cauldrons here, we've got that little flag. I've put a couple of the little bats, some cobwebs and spiders, a witch's hat, and then that actually is a human heart in the background there, which is a bit gross, but you can't really see it. I've covered it up. I popped in a little Halloween stencil set, and I just, again, made a little bag topper to make it look a little bit prettier. And I've made some handmade flowers to go on the top of that. Some little resins, some star and moon resins, and again, I've made some a little bag topper just with some of the ephemera and a piece of the cardstock from the paper pad that I've used to make all of the packaging out of for this one, and again a little bit of the printed ephemera. And then finally we've got this one, which is the little witchy things, and it's got one of the little witch's hat pegs on the top there. I didn't stick it down because I thought that way, if she wants to, she can use that one as well. So that all then fits inside this lovely hoop, which again, like I say, there is a video on my channel. Let's see if I can give you a better shot of it. But there is a video on my channel showing that in better detail. So that is everything that I have made for the collab. I will now go and get this packaged up. If there is any space left in the box, I will put in some of my non-Halloween embellishments and things for Jenny, and maybe some other little treats. I found it really hard to send any Halloween sort of treaty things because I just haven't been able to get hold of any, so I do hope that Jenny doesn't mind that too much, but I will have a look through and see what else I've got that I can send along with it. So hopefully she won't have to wait for it too long. Obviously, if we get a negative result, this will go in the post on Monday, as long as the result's back by then, obviously. If we get a positive result, then I won't post this until I'm absolutely certain that I won't be forwarding on any bugs or germs. So like I say, I have spoken to Jenny, and she's been very lovely about it. So that's it from me for now. Do go over and check everybody else out. Do go and check out Jenny's week 5 video. This was one of the items, but she did make 2, so there is another fantastic project on her channel to have a look at, so do go on over there and check that out, and don't forget to check out everybody else. That's it from me for now. I'll see you all again very soon in another crafty video. Bye for now.